Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play that very famous song that pretty much everybody knows, Happy Birthday to You. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 3 twice. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Blow into 4. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 3 twice. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 5. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 3 twice. Blow into 7. Blow into 6. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. And breathe in through 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 6. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.